Hello guys and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a new 2022 Hot Wheels. This is the 1940 Ford pickup. Looks like a drag car from Hot Wheels Drag Strip. In the new color of red. We had a blue one early in the year. And this casting came out in 1998. As you can see the copyright down there. That's the original casting. Number 1 of 10 in the drag strip series, and number 181 of 250 for 2022 international card. So this actually came out in the 2022 Q case. I know that because I know. 2021 copyright. New red color. This is my third color of this. I have a metallic one from the first editions. It's not mint, but it'll do. Now we have the red one out. Beautiful red. Nice bright red. There's a nice look at that there. Nice drag pickup truck with the wheelie bar and the parachute as well. Nice bright white interior. Comp cams on the side. And that's black and white with red decals. Some checkers there like that. This has gold 5-spoke rims. And there you go. There's a nice look at this. Nice big fenders. There's the front end there. Nice hood scoop as well. All the red is die cast, so kind of a heavy casting actually. Well, maybe not. Kind of average, but black plastic base, 1940 Ford pickup. New retool. They retooled the base. Made in Malaysia. And we'll give you a closer look at this. Pretty nice casting. And there you are. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And if there's any suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below. I have a lot of cars to unbox. And you might have a suggestion that I might have. So, here we go. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.